Vaheguru, students of 6th standard, today we are going to start your chapter number 17, Extreme Sports. बच्चे, what are the extreme sports that are called the action sports, adventure sports? बच्चे, these sports are including the activities that involving high speed, high degree of risk. Clear? That's why it is called an extreme sports. These activities, those activities that having a high level of danger, which involves high speed, height, high level of physical exertion, and highly specialized gear. In that chapter, there are given some pictures. We have to identify from the picture what is the name of that sport. First one is, this is an action of sport ejecting from an aircraft and free falling to earth and make formations like a ring. You can see in that picture. This is known as sky jumping. This is known as sky jumping. This is an action sport where there is eject from an aircraft and free falling to the earth and make formation like a ring. Next is, this sport involves jumping from tall structures like building, bridge, crane, or even a movable object such as hot air balloon or helicopter, while connected to a large elastic cord. The cord stretches at jump and the jumper files back and forth as the cord recoils. What is the name of that sport? What is the name of that extreme sport? That is binge jumping. Next is, this sport involves navigating an inflated raft through a river or other bodies. You can see in that pictures of water. This is usually done in different degrees of rough water or white water in order to enjoy the thrilling experience that is called the rafting. Next is, this sport is form of motorcycle racing. Motorcycle racing held on enclosed off-road circuits and is a physically demanding sport held in all weather condition. This is considered to be this is known as motocross, because this sport is a form of motorcycle racing. So this sport, the name of that sport is motocross. Next is, this sport involves riding unicycles off-road. It is an unstable vehicle and riding it in places where nobody thought it could go, and still turn sharper, jump with it, and fit through narrower spaces than the bikes. That sport involves riding unicycles off-road. You can see in that pictures. So the name of that sport is unicycling. Next is, it is a sport of flying the human body through the air using a special jumpsuit. This is the picture, called a wingsuit. It can be safely flown from any point that provides sufficient altitude for flight and parachute deployment. This is known as wingsuit flying. This flying is known as, the name of that extreme sport is wingsuit flying. Next is that picture given. This game is played using nothing more than snorkeling equipment like the stick, protective gear, gloves, which adds breathing as important game factor, meaning players have to manage the oxygen in their body, so they can use these equipments when they will play that game. The game is played at the bottom of the pool using a puck weighing over 1 kilogram. So the name of that sport is underwater hockey. That is because this is played at the bottom of the pool using a puck weighting that is about 1 kilogram. You can see in that picture. Next, last is this sport is to navigate a challenging race course in the sky in the fastest possible time. The pilots have to execute tight turns through specially designed pylons called air gates. This is known as air racing.